Are you getting enough dark leafy green vegetables? Let me show you an easy Mediterranean idea to help you enjoy more. For this delicious recipe, here's what you're going to need. Now, the reason dark leafy green vegetables are really important for your eyes and your brain is because they contain high amounts of a unique phytonutrient called lutein. And lutein has been shown to accrete in the brain. In other words, it builds up there, helping protect you against changes such as oxidative stress and inflammation. So this recipe idea could not be any simpler. What we're going to do is stuff our leafy greens into some boiling water. You only need about 1 inch of water, and we're going to cram in as much as it can possibly fit this pot. The reason being is that they're going to wilt down and reduce to about half their original volume. Now, you could also use other leafy greens. This is endive, which is quite bitter. You could use chicory, you could use dandelion greens, you could use beetroot leaves, or even silver beet. So we're just going to let that cook for about 3 or 4 minutes and then give it a stir, press down the greens, and the whole process might take about 10 minutes. Okay, that should be about right. Let's have a look. Perfect. So we're going to turn off the heat, and all you need to do now is lift your wilted endive with some tongs and place them on a platter. So just lift it in clumps, not a problem. And by the way, traditionally, the cook would always drink the cooking water because they knew how nutritious it was. So we're just going to let that cool before we dress it with beautiful olive oil and lemon juice. And that indeed is the secret to this very simple salad that's consumed with many, many main meals. Okay, that looks like it's cooled enough to finish with our dressing. So all I'm going to do is use some extra virgin olive oil. And don't be shy. It's really, really important that you add enough, because this is what's going to reduce the sensation of bitterness and make the greens so delicious that you're just going to want to eat more and more. And now we're just going to add our lemon. So I'm just going to use a reamer and just do it directly onto the greens. Now, these greens are usually made ahead and just stored in the fridge, and they can stay in the fridge for up to 5 days. So dark leafy greens are also really good for the heart, high in folate and nitrate, which helps to open up those blood vessels and keeps you young at heart. Now, let's give it the taste test. Fantastic. You're going to love this Mediterranean cooked salad idea. For more nutritious and delicious recipes, I'll see you next time.